I am telling about bonus pay pre-sale project. So now this pre-sale start in 20th January. So you can simply click and you can join this pre-sale, and now you can buy this token and earn money online. So now you can check out all of detail about like that pre-sale detail, and now you can check out where transparency made trust and no security.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back on my YouTube channel Queen Alexandra. Today I am here with very amazing and very interesting project. Before starting the further review, I would request if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos and notification. So guys, before starting the further review, I want to say that I am not your financial advisor and not responsible for your profit or loss. So guys, let's start the review now. This project is about bonus pep, and in this video I will tell all about details of this project, how you can buy this and their tokens. So guys, stay tuned for at the end of the video. The bonus pep, where transparency meets trust, no secret, just smiles, and the bonus pep got nothing to hide but his flies. So this is a beautiful profile. You can see this, and you must have to join their pre-sale which is coming soon, and hop into the bonus pep bond where stacking is very easy, and catching flies built on BNB chain where turning everyday folks into crypto princes with juicy rewards and the most debating community in the DeFi. And there it's bonus time. It's also given here, not just another fog into the pond. Where's the memiest and the greenest token that about to turn your portable form and the tadpole to absolute unit, and their rare pape level epic no cap, and their transparent token makes every bonus pop. Every bonus pep hopper gets their fire and share of the pond, and we are spreading their rabbits evenly, so our whole froggy fam came thrive and vibe together for the long hop. And the flexible stacking app of the quick flip and hold like a boss. The choice is yours, and our stacking pools are savoring up to flavors and juicy rewards. Quick app hope pools for the fast moving frogs, and the diamond hands pools for the true bonus pay believers. And next, their dynamics reward is also given here. The longer you hold with bonus pip, and the juicier your reward get. Rabbit your way to the biggest gains and buying, staying active in the pond, and true galaxy brain move fan stock and their sweet bonus by showing your diamond hands. And the pre-sale is also, you must have to see, don't sleep on the sun and grab your disconnected bonus pay tokens before we launch at the moon. And the detail is given here, their total allocation and their price increases, and which is plus 6% every day or 500 per k raised, and their benefits are also given here. With their pre-sale is coming, you must have to say there, and their benefit discounted price for early adopts, and their exclusive access to higher reward stacking pools, and be a founding member of the bonus beep ecosystem. So guys, their benefits are also given here. You must have get profit by this. And next, their low fees and their stocking also, you must have to join earn rewards with ease, and our intuit stocking platform offers options and they're tailored to your needs. Lock your bonus pip tokens and watch your rewards now. Lock for 3 months is 50%, and lock for 6 months is 35%, lock for 1 year is 80%. Their security safety is our priority. Third party or edits for smart contracts, multi signatures wallets, and their tracy security, regular updates of combat emergency. So this is it's their bonus time which have given here, and how you can buy. Their steps are also given here. First, buy crypto ready to join the pond. Rabbit your way to bonus pip in these happy steps. Get your crypto swimming great first, and dive into trusted exchanges like Bonus and Coinbase, or keep your precious tokens in comfy wallets like MetaMask and our Trust Wallet. And their next step is join pre-sale, and the third step is choose the amount, and their last and fourth step is you made it. Time to fill your bags and send a magic number to your wallet and watch your bonus pip token multiply, and Ernie frogs catch the most flies, hope in no maximum bonus. Their steps are also given here. You must have to see on their profile, and their token mix breakdown is also given there. Hop through transaction like nipple fog and our smart contract are also lighter than are given here. So guys, you must have to see their total supply which is given here. Their pre-sale is 38%, liquidity pool locked for 6 months which is 28%, and their stocking reward which is 9%, and exchange listening which is 9%, and their fund 6%. Unlock rate will be 1% every second month, and their marketing and partnership is 3%, their initial burn 4%, and also their development is 3%. Next, their small stocking, small community brewing, and their total transparency are also given here. Token token address is also given here. You must have to copy from this and also join this. And next, their bonus pip mission and how you can buy their white paper and legal opinion token mix also given here. So this was the official website, and there are all details about this platform. And next, you must have to join their Twitter account and their Twitter community, which is given here, and you have to see must have to see their all post and their pinned post on this account. And next, you must have to join their Telegram official community, and their security pools are also given here. Their blockchain security made in Germany with development, and their solid proof for this official website. And you must have to see their pink sale, UNC, and DEX sale are also given here. There all details about clients audits and their coins and their solid proof. What is solid proof? Welcome to the solid proof, a leading brand under the gem company, featured visions and established on May 30, 2020, and we have experienced remarkable growth and expanding our team for to dedicated group of 7 professionals in 2021. We further expand our options. So this was their security, and their service is also, you have must see their service, and their consult security is also given here. You must have to see fire token pre-sale last chance to join, and the fire token is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a blessing and opportunity to secure your financial features, and their security buildings and improving the blockchain. And their Consultants is a pioneer in blockchain security and utilizing the best-in-class manual security checks and AI technology to secure the development and mined blockchain smart contracts and the Web3. So all the consultant interested by Pink Sale and their DEX view are also given here. Their coin market cap and block business and their consult feature projects are also given here. You must have to see there.